Hey guys, welcome to Sarah's Jewelry Studio. So today we're going to do the unboxing for the Potomac Beads Best Bead Box, and this month's theme is Serengeti Safari. So this is going to be a very different box than what I'm used to working with, and their box always comes with a tutorial. This is the regular size. There's also an XL that I believe comes with 3 tutorials. This one only has 1 in there. Pattern is the word I was looking for. So the pattern for this one is knotted and wrapped summer jewelry. So I've never made anything that looks like this before. So this is going to be interesting, and I can't wait to show you all the contents. So stay tuned. Alright, so here we go. This is the Potomac Beads Best Bead Box, and this is for June of 2020. The theme here is Serengeti Safari. It says, take a trip to the plains of Africa where tones of gold, copper, and emerald stretch as far as your eye can see. You spot a leopard in the branches of the stoic acacia tree, lazily flicking its tail as it naps in the midday heat. Strap on your binoculars, lace up your hiking boots, and have a wild adventure with this month's Serengeti Safari subscription box. So this shows you all the different things that you're going to get in this box. And then here's another paragraph about the theme of this box. Alright, and so there's that. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what we got in here. So here is the pattern that comes with this month's collection. Knotted and wrapped summer jewelry. And that's going to use wax linen cord, button clasp, assortment of beads, wildfire thread, 6-pound, and a beading needle. So here's what the pattern looks like for that. It's called a bizarre bracelet and a safari necklace. So it's actually, oh, and there's a pattern for a wrap bracelet. So there's actually 3 different things in here, I'm guessing. It looks like to me. So there we go. Alright, so there's that. So let's take a look. So what they do is they separate the stuff that comes in the box into 2 bags, and one is the stuff that is used in the pattern, and one is the stuff that is used, or that is just for your stash. Alright, so this is the stuff for the pattern here. So let's take a look at what we got. So for the pattern, it says that you need waxed linen cord, 20 metal spacers, 10 grams of 2O Mayuki seed beads, and 1 metal button. So these are the metal spacers. Cylinder smooth, I'm guessing is what that's supposed to say. And they're pewter, 3 by 4 millimeters. So those are nice. And we got the Mayuki spacer beads, and these are 2O. And this says it's magic purple cranberry. So those are nice. Take a look at the color of these. Look a little closer. Very shiny. You can see that color inside. Definitely really nice. Cranberry is definitely a good color to describe it. Very pretty color there. Alright, and then we have 1 metal button here, and you can see this button just has 1 hole on the back here. It's got a flower on there, a lot of little detail on that. And then we have some waxed linen cord. It doesn't give it a length on this. Let's see if it does in the pattern. Nope, it does not. It just says waxed linen cord. So you can definitely feel the wax on this. That is in there pretty solid. So that's fun. Like you can see that it sticks straight out on its own. I've never worked with any of this type of material, so that will be fun. It's definitely very stiff. Alright, so there you go. So that's fun. So we got those. And that's, like I said, for the pattern. So, and you can see in the picture here how it shows actually some of the other beads that also come in the box. It shows in here with this. Alright, so that was that. So now the beads for your stash, that's how they call it. So we're going to see what we got here. So if you look, this is this list here. So we got I'm going to assume these are what they call check faceted beads. These look to be about the 6mm ones. Oh, did it list it on there? Oh, it sure did. I forgot these are the ones that are labeled on the bag. So yep, so they're check faceted round 6mm. So they look like fire polish minus the fire polishing. There's those. And then we have Ginkgo Aztec Gold Matte Metal. They're 4 grams of ginkgo beads. So these have 2 holes. These are 2-hole beads. So these are fun. Definitely have never worked with these before. So that'll be something new. Try to see if you can make like a circle out of them. Yeah, so I don't know. Let's look for some patterns that use those because I've definitely never used those before. So we got some fun little tiny tassels. These are definitely a fun color, very lightweight. Very pretty. So I got 5 of those. It's a fun summery color for sure. And then we have, they're called round duo beads. So we got 4 grams of these round duo beads. So, oh yep, they are. They're 2-hole beads also, but they're rounds. So round duo makes sense. Trying to see if we can see the 2 holes. There you go. You can see the 2 holes good there. So those are fun. And then we've got here Potomac crystal rounds. These are 4mm. Oh, these are very sparkly. Very sparkly. I like that. So they're definitely faceted, obviously. Doesn't say that on here. Just calls them rounds, but they're definitely faceted. Very pretty. Nice green color. It's kind of like a candy apple green. Is that a thing? People say that? Candy apple green? I don't know if they say that. I might have just made that up. But you know what I'm saying. Apple green. Green apple. There you go. It's a nice green apple color. That's what I meant. Alright, so these we have, they're called Slim Nivettes. Montana 4x15mm. Potomac Crystal. I was trying to figure out what PC stood for. I was looking at the list. Potomac Crystal Slim Nivettes. So those are fun. Never seen anything like this before. I don't know, I didn't even realize they had the crystals in there. It's like a metal bezel kind of setting with prongs that come up, 4 prongs. So those are fun. Never used anything like this before. So these are going to be fun to work with. I'll have to get my creativity flowing to figure out what to do with these. I like the sparkle on them though. It's a really nice color in there. Alright, and then, oh, we have some more of them. Potomac Crystal. These are called Trillions. Wow, these have lots of sparkle in them. Very pretty, like an emerald green. Lots of sparkle in there. You can see the sparkle on the inside of the stone too. It's really cool. And then we have a nice silver centerpiece here, 43x41mm. That's really nice. Nice big size. Tell how big that is. That looks really cool, actually. So these aren't, they aren't holes that go all the way through. But you do have these here, these 7 here. And then these 2 on this side here. So that's nice. And then we have these brass spacer beads. Says we got 20 of them on the list here. So you can see they actually have a little, like a little circle on the side. There's some sort of little design on there. So those are fun. And then last thing I see here that we haven't looked at are these, which is actually in a completely sealed baggie. They're check faceted rounds, 4mm. These are like a nice orangey kind of color. So those are fun. We're going to give those an open here, just so I can take a look at the color without the plastic in the way. A nice sparkle to them. Very pretty summery color. Makes you think of oranges. Alright, so definitely a nice color palette here. So there we go. That is the June 2020 Best Bead Box from Potomac Beads, Serengeti Safari. Alright, so we're going to see what I can come up with out of this. And as of right now, I've only gotten a couple of things done out of the last box. I didn't even get the pattern done yet, the tea time box. So I am not ready to do the finished jewelry video on that. So I will get that out as soon as I can, and then we'll get ready to start working on this one. Alright, thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And if you give a comment down below, I will definitely reply to you. So thanks for watching. Have a great night.